MicroStrategy, considering such a large percentage of their market cap is made up of Bitcoin, which is a highly volatile asset. So as their Bitcoin holdings increase and as they become a larger and larger kind of Bitcoin leveraged proxy, that volatility continues to pay dividends in the form of Bitcoin per share, which is something that even a company that enters and tries to buy Bitcoin won't be able to recreate until they get enough Bitcoin such that it's a large portion of their market cap. So that's kind of the monopolistic tendency.
Fantastic.
Can I just like fill in the gaps? I mean, like really not much else has to be said after what they did. So I got 3 quick points here. Number one, back to the this idea of like, could someone else or will someone else catch MicroStrategy and total Bitcoin holdings? The thing that Meta, and Jeff, we'll talk more about this offline, but I think Dell could also, in not as quickly as Meta, but with aggressive convertible bonds, could surpass MicroStrategy. But neither Dell nor Meta will ever be able to emulate the MicroStrategy as a trading vehicle, volatility is the product type instrument, because the overwhelming majority of both Meta or Dell's market cap would be through the earnings power and buybacks of like the real business. So that's point number one. Point number two, the like recent aha light bulb going off moment for me, and why I'm saying like it's over, is because like it's now like fully finally clicked that MicroStrategy is like the team literally are the financial engineers that are operating in between Bitcoin and all of the TradFi markets, equity markets, bond markets, volatility markets, especially in the options market. And then you can create products like MSTY to just sell that covered call strategy. So I think that cannot be, it's not possible to overemphasize that, because here's the reality. Nobody actually cares about IBIT. And this is going to be a great segue into my last point here. Nobody actually cares about IBIT. There is no groups of people forming around to spend like full-time working hours on IBIT. Nobody cares about Larry Fink. I'm sorry. Like there is going to be no Elon Musk type phenomena with Larry Fink. However, to me, from my perspective, being like a veteran of Tesla and seeing that whole story through for 7 years, there absolutely is a sailor type Elon Musk, Steve Jobs type premium that should be associated like to this company. I've seen it. This is it. Like I'm telling you, this is it with the sailor Elon comparison. And then you factor in like the rest of the team. And this is what I've been talking about a lot recently, that 10-person capital markets team, plus the people who are running the software business. Like it's A players all over the place, So I think those are just my 3 points. But I think that 3-person segment really covers a lot, maybe not 100%. We have to bring Ben and some other people in for convertible bonds and many other people to like really get to 100%, but that was a good